Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, Shanti goes to school at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns to the village at a speed of 2 km per hour. If she takes 5 hours in all, find the distance between the village and the school. So what's the given question? Shanti is going to school at a speed of 3 km per hour and then she is returning at a speed of 2 km per hour. And the total time period is given. 5 hours is the total time. You have to find out the distance between the village and the school. So what is the formula for distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So here the time is given. The total time is 5 hours. The speed is not directly given. What is the given information? Shanti is going from village to school at 3 km per hour and she is travelling back from school to village at a speed of 2 km per hour. So here the important point to note is that the distance covered is same. The distance covered is same at two different speeds, 3 km per hour, 2 km per hour, but the distance covered is same. So you can find out the average speed. So what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2 when two speeds v1 and v2 are given for two equal distances covered. So here you can find out the average speed. Average speed will be equal to 2 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So you will be getting 12 by 5. Now you can find out the distance. Distance will be equal to time into speed. So here speed will be the average speed. You can easily find out the average speed because the distance covered is same from school to village and from village to school. So distance will be equal to speed 12 by 5 into 5 hours, which will give you 12 kilometers. The second question, Sam does a journey in 10 hours. The first half at 21 km per hour and the second half at 24 km per hour. Find the distance. So distance is equal to time into speed. What is the given question? Sam is doing a journey in 10 hours. So time is given. Time is equal to 10 hours. And what is the information about speed? First half he is traveling at a speed of 21 km per hour and second half he is traveling at a speed of 24 km per hour. If that is the case, you have to find out the distance. Here also you can see the distance covered is same. First half and the second half. That means distance covered is same in both the cases. The same distance is covered at two speeds, 21 km per hour and 24 km per hour. So what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So that is the formula for average speed when the distance covered is same. Here also it is given first half and second half. So the distance covered are same. So you can easily find out the average speed by using our shortcut formula v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So 2 into 21 into 24 divided by 24 plus 21 is equal to 45. And what is the distance? Distance will be equal to average speed into time. So it will be 2 into 21 into 24 divided by 45 into 10. So what you will be getting? So these questions are comparatively simple. I just included it so that you will be remembering to use the formula for average speed. You have to note here the distance covered is same. So you can easily find out the average speed. Then you can find out the distance by multiplying average speed and time. So these kind of questions you can expect for clerical kind of exams. So you have to be thorough with the formula for average speed and you have to understand that you can use the formula for average speed here and average speed into time is equal to distance. So here 7 into 3 and 15 into 3. Then here 2 and 3. Then 8 will come here. So what is your final answer? 7 into 8 into 4. 56 into 4 is equal to 224 kilometers. So that is the distance. Question number 3. Preeti starts from a place A and reaches B in 7 hours. She travels 1/4 of the distance at 10 km per hour and the remaining distance at 12 km per hour. Find the distance between A and B. What is the question? The total time period taken by Preeti is given. It is 7 hours. And what is the information about speed? 1/4 of the distance she is covering at a speed of 10 km per hour. So what is the remaining distance? 3/4. So 3/4 of the distance she will be covering at 12 km per hour. You have to find out the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. But here you cannot find out the average speed. The distance covered are not same. Preeti is covering 1/4 of the distance at one speed and 3/4 of the distance at another speed. You cannot find out the average. So here what you can do? You can consider total distance is equal to x. So the total distance be equal to x. So what is the total time is given? 7 hours. So you can write down the formula for total time. So 1/4 of the distance she is covering at a speed of 10 km per hour. So you can say time is equal to distance by speed. So here distance is equal to x by 4. So x by 4 divided by 10 plus, and what is the other distance? 3 by 4x. So 3 by 4x divided by 12 is equal to 7. When you are adding both the first time and the second time, you will be getting 7. So x by 4 by 10 plus 3 by 4x by 12 is equal to 7. So how you can write? X by 10 into 4 plus 3x by 12 into 4 is equal to 7. So the LCM will be 240. The LCM of 40 and 48. So it will be 240, and in the numerator you will be getting 6x plus 15x is equal to 6x plus 15x divided by 240 is equal to 7. So it gives 21x by 240 is equal to 7. So x is 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So x is equal to 240 divided by 3 is equal to 80 kilometers. So where you cannot find out the average speed, you can write down the formula for finding out the time. You can imagine distance is equal to x. The total time is given. So the time taken at a particular speed and the time taken at the other speed, both times you can find out, you can add, and you will get the total time. So from that you can easily solve for x. So that is the method where you cannot find out the average speed. When the distance covered is same at two different speeds, you can find out the average speed, and distance is equal to average speed into time. Thank you for watching.